हमारे खेत में ऊंचाई नीचाई थी, एक साइड ऊंचा था एक साइड नीचा था। जो मान लो फसल में पानी दे थे हम, वो एक साइड तो पानी की उससे मर गई थी, एक साइड सूख गई थी।
Land preparation is one of the most important aspects in improving water use efficiency and increasing agriculture productivity. Studies indicate that proper leveling of the land always improves efficiency of water, labor and energy resources. The traditional methods of land leveling used to be labor intensive, while desired level of smoothness was never achieved. This led to uneven distribution of irrigation water, leading to consumption of more energy, resulting in higher cost of production. With the introduction of laser-guided land leveling system, farmers can now have a higher level of accuracy and efficiency in land preparation.
मेरे जो ज़मीन थी वो ऊंची नीची थी, उसे मैंने इकसार करने के लिए जानकारी ली कि आज कंप्यूटर जंदा खेतों को इकसार करता है, और इकसार मैंने चलता है देखा तो जानकारी करी कि क्या है, तो ये कंप्यूटर जंदरा है। फिर मैंने अपने खेतों में लगा, देखा कि बहुत पानी की बचत होती है और इससे बहुत अच्छा लाभ पहुंचता है, फसल भी 15% करीब इसमें बढ़ती है।
Through laser land leveling, farmers are able to save water and reduce their irrigation cost because laser level fields, unlike traditionally level fields, allow better water coverage and more efficient irrigation.
देखिए, पहले तो मेरे को खुद भी यकीन नहीं था भाई इतने पैसे क्यों दें, है नहीं, क्योंकि बिजली नहीं आती, डीजल महंगा है। इन सारी बातों में पानी बचाने का सबसे बढ़िया साधन यही है। लेजर लेवलिंग से और बेहतर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि उसका एक सार खेत हो जाता है, पानी एक सार रहता है, तो पानी बहुत जल्दी खेत में, वो जो टाइम पीरियड कम पीरियड टाइम में वो खेत भर जाता है। कहीं कहीं ऊंचा होता है, हम काफ़ी देर उसको ऊंची ठेक को भरने में लगा देते हैं, तो वो टाइम भी बच जाता है जी।
Laser land leveling, also known as laser leveling, is a process of smoothening the land surface from its average elevation with a certain degree of desired slope using a guided laser beam throughout the field. In other words, it shifts soil from the high points to the low points of the field in the most accurate and effective way. Laser land leveling is done with the help of a four-wheel tractor and a laser leveler unit. The unit comprises of drag bucket, laser transmitter, laser receiver, control box, and hydraulic system. The laser transmitter sends a 360-degree continuous laser beam from a tripod which is kept outside the field. This signal is intercepted by the laser receiver mounted on the leveling bucket attached to a tractor. The control panel mounted on the tractor interprets the signal from the receiver and opens or closes the hydraulic valve, which raises or lowers the bucket depending on the field topography. The laser land leveler has a working range of 500 meters to 1500 meters. The performance is fast, accurate and measurable. Let us look at the steps of laser land leveling. Step 1. Plowing the field. Plow from the center of the field outwards, mostly in the higher elevation areas only. Plow when the soil is moist to prevent large clods. Step 2. Mark the high and low spots in the field. Conduct a topographic survey to record the high and low spots in the field. From the surveyed readings, establish the mean height of the field by taking the sum of all the readings and dividing by the number of readings taken. Then, using a field diagram and the mean height of the field, determine a strategy to effectively move soil from the high to low areas. steps to level the field. Position the laser control bucket at a point that represents the mean height of the field. Set the cutting blade slightly above ground level, that is 1 to 2 centimeters. Drive the tractor in a circular direction from the high areas to the low areas in the field. As soon as the bucket is almost full with soil, turn and drive towards the lower area, and once it is empty, drive to the higher area. Do a final leveling pass in long runs from the high end of the field to the lower end. Resurvey to make sure that the desired level of precision has been attained. Important point to remember is that the fields must be leveled in such a way so as to create a constant slope of 0 to 0.2%. Benefits of laser leveling. Improves weed control. Improved water coverage from better land leveling reduces weeds by up to 40%. This reduction in weeds results in less time for crop weeding, as much as 75% savings on labor costs. Efficient water use. By improving the uniformity of the surface, less water is needed for complete coverage of the field. Seeding practices. Laser leveling not only allows even distribution of water, but it also leads to better nitrogen use efficiency, which results in higher agriculture productivity. Land leveling improved the production of direct seeding, which reduced labor requirements by 30% days per hectare.
जो हम इसे चलाते हैं तो जनता जो आसपास के हैं खेत वाले वे आगे से देखते हैं, और खेत में जब पानी आता है तो उसे भी देखते हैं कि इससे हमें बहुत फ़ायदा है। और जो हमारी यूरिया DAP है जो हम दवाई लगाते हैं वो सारी फसल को एक साथ लगती है।
Once leveled, the benefits from laser leveling of land can extend for many years. Laser-guided land leveling makes the leveling process easier, faster and cheaper. Farmers can now work with unmatched speed and accuracy and achieve precise leveling on their agricultural field.